In this video, I'll quickly show you how to divide fractions. So here we have a quarter divided by 3/16. But what we can do is rewrite the division. It's called tip and times. So what I'll do is I'll change the division into multiplication. And then, after I've made that change, I will tip the fraction. So I'll write the 16 as the numerator and the 3 at the top as the denominator. So what we have done is we have tipped the fraction and we have changed the division to times or multiply. And as I've shown you in a previous video, when we multiply fractions, we multiply the numerators with each other and we multiply the denominators with each other. So we'll have 1 multiplied with 16, which is 16 over 4 multiplied with 3, which is 12. And this fraction of 16 over 12 can be simplified because both 16 and 12 are divisible by 4. So if I simplify it, I have 4 over 3.